Now, is this on high heat right now?
That's on blast.
And we want this to boil.
We want that to come to a rolling boil.
All right.
So we're putting how much water in there?
50-50.
50-50, so there's gonna be 4 gallons of water in that kettle. That's 32 pounds.
How do we know about the rhubarb then, the amount of rhubarb? Are we gonna add to this?
And then we're going to be adding rhubarb, 32 pounds of rhubarb to that kettle. And as it starts to melt down, we'll just keep.
We didn't weigh the rhubarb yet, did we? Or do we have that?
I weighed the rhubarb.
You did,
out
okay,
of the
so
field.
it's already weighed, very good. All right.
We're able to identify the new growth versus the old growth by how the leaves look, where there's very little brown to a little bit of brownish red to where the leaf is basically started to deteriorate. Now this stalk here is starting to become soft. If you split it open, you can see that it's still uniformly green. This stalk is still edible. It might be a little bit bitter, but otherwise this is not something that if you have it in your home garden, you can eat this. I'm not going to be putting that in the bin because we have so much good stuff.
Should I get in and start cutting them?
No, you don't need to cut those. Now what are you asking?
I'm just asking, would it be better if we cut them in small pieces?
Okay, as the water starts to boil, it's going to liqueous.
Okay.
That those things are going to melt down into a puddle.
Oh, all right, very
And
good.
since it's just another step that's not necessary,
Okay.
and I'm trying to develop something that's a scalable process. If you had a big vat that you could be cooking this shit in, and you didn't have to do any prep work, just
Gotcha.
straight from the field, give it a good scrub, agitation, and then right in the cooker.